Hey everyone, so if you are watching this, that means that you are confused about how to find your grade for a specific section of the essay. So I'm going to show you how to find that. So for example, if you are at the top and you go to the thesis and you're curious about what your final thesis grade is, then you, right here, it says look at the rubric under thesis paragraph. So you're going to click on this rubric, and then this rubric will have a highlighted portion for that section. So for example, if you got meet standard, then that will be highlighted, and that means that you have all of the things that are in the checkboxes. If you would like to change your grade and edit it, then you can go back up to your thesis and click this link, head back to your thesis. And you can go back and edit it and then resubmit.